What's going on, guys? This is Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today with a video about click trackers and the three most commonly used click tracking tools. I'm going to leave a link for each one of them in the description, and first link in the description's an easy way for even a beginner to start making $200 or $300 a day. Check it out, see what you think. So without further ado, let's get going. I'm probably going to go from the most expensive to a free option, and all of them have their pluses and minuses, and we'll talk about that as we go. So let's get started. The first one we have is Volume, which is probably the oldest and most trusted one out there. There again, though, it's the most expensive. You can track your clicks, your ROI, where they come from. You know, like here, this one right here showing you it came from Facebook, Zpark. I can't even say that thing, but it's another type of social media like Quora. I do know what it is, I just don't know how to pronounce it. You know, of course, it's global. This one right here actually came out of China in its games, global and health. You know, AI optimization, that way you can do what you got to do. What can you do with Volume? You can track all your advertising campaign, analyze the data, optimize the performance, scale your affiliate business. And I'm going to be honest with you, fellas, you really need a tracking software in order to know your numbers, because this is a business. I know everybody's like, but I want to do it for free. You can, but it's really hard. I mean, you know, I use a lot of Bitly links, but even my Bitly links go through a tracking software. So you can trap everything in one space, ad formats, you know, native search, push or banner ads. You can do traffic sources. You can find out where they came from, whether it be popular, email, social, or video. Take advantage of our unique features. Traffic distribution AI, automatically A/B test your campaigns. That comes in helpful. This right here, the anti-fraud, is to make sure that you're getting real clicks, visitors, everything, instead of bot traffic. You know, some, especially on solo ads, you get a lot of bot traffic if you're not careful. Offers and marketplaces such as Facebook and everything, notifications get sent straight to desktop or mobile device. Do you track your campaigns? Without tracker, you're burning money and wasting time. You know, it is one of the better things if you've got one. If you use the self-hosted, such as like if you run it through your WordPress site, right? Whenever people click on it and go to it, you can find out where it's at, but it's not as effective as like these type of softwares that'll tell you down to the IP address. I mean, they are, and with the cloud base, it gives you notifications, bot detection, individual onboarding, AI features. You know, it is one of the better things. And in case you're wondering how much this one costs, there is no free trial to it. It just starts off at $69 a month, and it goes up from there, if I'm not mistaken. Go to the pricing window and we'll look. You can do the entry package at $69 a month. That's 1,000,000 events, one custom domain. Or you can do what they call their basic, not the entry, $224 a month, but you get 3 million events, 3 custom domains, or you get the advanced with 5 custom domain with 10 million events, 12 months worth of history data. I mean, honestly, to start out, all you need is the $69 one. But this, there again, is the most expensive, but it's also been on the market the longest. It's been out for 5 years. It's got a proven track record. Next, we're going to talk about ClickMagick. Here, you know, you basically get everything else. You get works everywhere you advertise. They track entire sales funnel, intelligent split testing, geo targeting, mobile optimization, ad retargeting to any link, 24/7 click fraud, which there again is bot traffic, everything else, superior speed and accuracy, and 1 hour support. As you see here, you can even get a 14-day trial on this one, and it's not as expensive as Volume. But here, they've only been in business for 4 years, where Volume's been in business for 5 years. You know, you've got to look at that, but we'll get into the pricing here in a few. Here's a bunch of what are these things called? Reviews and what other people thought about it. Works everywhere you advertise: AdWords, Facebook, Twitter, Bing. Is your I can't speak. Is your click tracking technology outdated? See why the top online marketers have made switch from click tracking software and scripts to ClickMagick. You got link coding or cloaking, 24/7 link uptime monitoring, automatic bot filtering, click fraud, custom tracking domains, which is unlimited here, advanced geo targeting, effortless conversions, automated intelligence, multi-link or multi-mode link rotators, add 4 types of pop-up to any link. As you can see, they have a lot versus the other companies out there. So like I said, this one, you get a 14-day trial. It's automated intelligent split testing, money layer, magic pop-up. So you know, like whenever you go to leave a window, you know how it says, hold on, do this, that, or the other. You can put that pop-up in there. You get the countdowns for you need the urgency to get it sold. Money layer technology. Okay, this is for delivering your messages a little better. Advanced retargeting, which can come in real handy because here you can retarget a little better. You know, like if you didn't like the demographic that you were getting, you got this little bit of demographic here, like say 24 to 30, but yet you was really aiming more towards 40 to 45, and you're looking for that, you can do it better here. The dynamic affiliate links, easily bypass generic affiliate sales anywhere you want to while still earning affiliate commission. That gives you full control over sales process, allowing you to link from your own pre-sale page. Quality analysis on your traffic, make sure that it's like a lot of solo traffic ads have so much tier 1 traffic, yada yada yada. Just make sure. Content locking, that comes in to work with CPA offers. We'll get into that another day. 24-hour link uptime monitoring, automatic bot filtering. There again, that's got to do with solo traffic to make sure that you're getting real traffic, not bot traffic. Geo and mobile targeting. Say you want to advertise something in, I don't know, say Nepal. You can target that certain location with this and just mobile traffic or desktop. Facebook and Google Analytics compliant, simplicity, use of reliability and speed. Um, and this is why you should basically, like I said, make sure the bot traffic ain't there. Okay, let's go here to the pricing and show you how much this one is. It's like I said, it's got a 14-day free trial, and there again, I'll give y'all a link here. Okay, this is annually. Let's show the monthly billing options. Okay, it's $17 a month for up to 10,000 clicks, funnel tracking, 6 months worth of data. The standard plan 47, up to 100,000 clicks, funnel tracking, 5 funnels, 10 custom domains. $100 plan or $97 plan is 1 million, all the core features, funnel tracking unlimited to your attention. But yeah, it's like I said, I'm gonna leave y'all a link in the description. Y'all can come over, check this out if you want to. It's got a 14-day free trial on all these accounts, and even if you do the yearly, you save 30% on each one of them monthly, but you're going to be billed annually, not monthly, just so you know. And the last one that I have for y'all is called ClickTool. It's tracking optimized paid marketing campaigns. ClickTool can help you with more profitable marketing decisions, rise your visibility, increase your return on investment. Now this one right here is completely free though, and there again, I'll leave a link to this one in the description as well for you. Here again, you get the A/B retargeting, detailed analytics, the security for your domain, in-depth traffic data, and they're about to have a website builder too, you know, kind of like ClickFunnels type deal. And as you can see, they've been featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, TNW. I'm not really sure. That may be in overseas. I'm not sure if y'all are from over there and know. Let me know. Here you got John Crestoni talking about it, which is one of those super affiliates that is out here. Easily identify your most profitable campaigns, turn unprofitable campaigns into profitable ones, uncover the real value of your traffic, easily identify where you should be sending your traffic, everything in one place, running campaigns from multiple sources. ClickTools help you keep your business organized by clicking or tracking all your sales in one place, cutting edge non-redirect trafficking, because there's certain affiliate networks out there that do not like you to redirect your offer. They want you to make it look like it comes straight from wherever. And like Facebook and Google don't like you to redirect traffic off of their platform. So this is a really good thing about this one. Rotate landing pages with precision. That way you can see which one's working the best and allocate, you know, basically get rid of landing pages that's not working. It's not that big deal. You can even track phone calls on this one, completely click-based, first for kind tracking system, paper call campaign, and it's like I said, it's 100% free. And let's go back to the top here. Pricing. Let me show you what you got here. You get 0 to 10,000 clicks every 28 days for free. Then you got tier 1. See if I can click on that. It goes to 9/10 of a penny, which might as well say 100 penny or a penny per click, and that's for 10,000 to 500,000. So it goes from a penny to $44 a month. Tier 2 which is 8/10 of a penny, which is 501,000 to 2 million clicks. And let's face it, people, if y'all are doing that much, $165 a month ain't gonna be a whole lot. Tier 3 is 2 million to 10 million clicks. And if you're getting 10 million clicks a month and you can't afford the $750 a month, and see, this is all based on the same thing. It always starts at free. So the first 10,000 clicks, no matter what, is free. You get, you get your custom domain, you get your advanced clicker tool, you get your landing page, you get your offer rotating system. You get it all. I mean, for free for the first 10,000 clicks. And let you know there's also mentoring. I'm sorry, I misread that. That's mentioned it's free. And it's like they said, no credit card required. They won't sell you data. Seriously, no strings attached. Matter of fact, this is the one I'm setting up right now for me, because whenever it's that cheap, I mean, you're talking 500,000 clicks. You're talking $44 a month if I go over to 10,000 at most, because I don't see me getting over 500,000 clicks. But with that being said, y'all check out the first link in the description, and be my number one way to make passive money online, $200 to $300 a day. It's beginner friendly. And if y'all need a click tracking tool, which if you're in this type of business and affiliate marketing, you probably do, check out the links in the description below for Volume, ClickMagick, or ClickTool. I'm just here trying to give y'all some information. Till tomorrow.